Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces, mga gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? So, reminder lang po Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And ang ating daily reading ay always pong timeless. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon nito na panoon, basta mag-resonate, take nyo lang. Pag hindi, huwag po nating ipilit, okay? And ang mga energies na lalabas dito ay pwede po mag-resonate sa lahat po ng gender, feminine or masculine, ay pwede po mag-resonate sa babae, lalaki, and LGBT man. Pasensya na po sa boses ko po, okay? So, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Eight of Wands. Okay, so there's a message na darating Pisces. Okay. Ano pa po? Ang message niyo po for Pisces. Pwedeng you're dealing with someone na, anong tawag nito? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron pa dito, the Hangman. Ooh. Okay, so there's the message and there's the hangman. So, pwede you're waiting for someone to message you, Pisces. Okay, or there is someone na nag-message sa'yo tapos hinihintay ka. Pwede pong ganun, okay? Kasi the hangman kasi represents as parang stagnant energy. Okay, non-moving. So, itong mensahe na to is parang it's either na-send na, ginawa na, or hinihintay. Okay? It's either you or you're dealing with someone, Pisces. Okay? And Three of Cups. Happiness celebration. Oh, so pwedeng naghihintay ka ng invitation coming from someone, Pisces, or pwedeng instead na parang hinihintay mo itong mensahe na ine-expect mo na which is hindi naman nangyayari o hindi pa dumadating. You're trying to be happy, you're trying to uh, to deal with other people kasi meron tayo ditong Three of Friends na kumbaga nagkakasiyahan sila, abundance. It's either pwedeng nanggaling to or manggagaling to sa mga kaibigan mo, Pisces, or pwedeng you're waiting for someone na mag-message sa'yo for you to be happy, with this person, with this a lot of people, okay? Or kung hindi naman, again, pwedeng hinihintay mo yung invitation for this salo-salo, okay? Oh, wow, the Star. Hinihintay mo to the point, Pisces, na gustong-gusto mong magkaroon or gustong-gusto mong dumating na. Okay? The Star is about wish fulfillment. Okay? So, nakikita nyo sa the Star is kasunod niya yung Three of Cups. So, it's all about happiness. It's all about being happy, celebration. Okay? Punong-puno ng kasiyahan. So, pwedeng ito yung dala ng mensahe na ito. Although, the hangman yung kasunod kasi eh. So, medyo there's a non-moving situation. Okay? Take nyo lang po kung saan po mag-resonate, Pisces. Okay? And, bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles. There's someone nagdadalawang isip or choosing somebody to other people. Okay? So, pwedeng there's someone na making a decision, Pisces, for you to choose kung ano yung gusto mo. Pwedeng ikaw yung namimili, Pisces, kung ano yung gagawin mo, kung dapat ba ganito, dapat ba ganyan, okay? Or there's a lot of options na nakalahad sa'yo, okay? And kailangan mong mamili kung ano yung gusto mo. This is a wish fulfillment, Pisces. Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa opportunity. Itong mensahe na ito yung hinihintay mo, okay? And pag dumating na to siya, pag meron na siyang dumating, mamimili ka na, okay? Or pwedeng meron kang pinagpipilian ngayon, kaso yung gustong-gusto mo is hindi pa nagme-message sa'yo or hindi pa nag-i-email sa'yo, okay? And you're searching for something na, alam mo yun, na pwedeng mas maganda, mas better, okay? and you wanted to have a wish fulfillment. Kung ano yung feeling mo swak sa'yo, yun. Pwede pong ito ay, sa nararamdaman ko, parang career siya, opportunity na kumbaga meron kang hinihintay, meron kang gusto, pero there is other options na nakalahad din naman sa'yo. So, it's up to you, Pisces, kung ano po yung pagpipilian nyo po, okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with the opportunity career, Pisces, or again, sinabi ko kanina, you're waiting for someone to message you and magkaroon ng happiness, okay? Pwedeng ito ay celebration, party, okay? Or pwede ding group of friends, pwedeng kaibigan mo, family member, pwede din po, okay? And there is someone na parang, ano ba, tatanggapin ko ba or hindi, okay? So, yun lang po ang ating message, Pisces, sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!